Alright, this is video 3 of the Hampton Bay industrial ceiling fan by SMC. And you can see here the logo up on the lower canopy. So, now's the time we get to take it for a test spin. I will show you the solid state control. Comes in this nice blue finish. And going to put this down so you can see the fan. I'm going to start off on high. I'm going to descend slowly. Now the spin down. And if you've stuck with me through all 3 of the videos of this fan, the unboxing, the assembly, and the installation, as well as operation, I greatly appreciate it, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't mention that on the controller, on this one in particular, there is a black and white lead coming out of the back, and I'll actually show you after the spin down. But the white lead goes to the fan, the black lead goes to the power source. So I've set it up. Yeah, actually, I'm anticipating a rather lengthy spin down because it's a brand new fan, obviously brand new bearings. So, but it also has been sitting around for 23 years unused, so I don't know if that will affect the bearings in any way. But, this is the first time the fan has ever spun. So, and you get to watch it on YouTube. So, you can move a decent amount of air. It's no gold line, obviously, but it's, for a flimsy, cheap little Chinese fan, it's not horrible. And at the price point these were offered at the time, I don't remember what they were, $70 or something. The first time I ever saw them, I was kind of taken aback because, I think it was when I bought my low profile in 98, 99, sometime around then. And I was walking through the fan display, and I just looked up and I said, "Oh, there's an industrial up there." Okay. So anyway, yeah, I will show you the. Yeah. Now the white wire. See, I can't really see the camera how it's facing, but there we go. Okay, so the white wire coming out of the solid state control, it's really hard to do, but anyway, yeah, that goes to the you know, the fan itself I have through the track, and the braided cord is you know, that has the black and the white coming out of that, so I connected the black to that where I plugged it in. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.